Let me start with a very kind of a warm welcome to Shikha and to all my viewers. Hello everyone, and to you all also very warm welcome to this live session. There's always a saying which beautifully captures today's journey. When we are young, we have time and health, but not much wealth. We all remember that. In our middle years, we have wealth and health, but very little time. And later in life, we have time and wealth, but often struggle with our health. And that's exactly what today's conversation is all about. So I'm Vinita Kejriwal, a chartered accountant, a certified financial planner, CEO and founder of Vincent Financial Services Private Limited. And today, in this live session, we are going to discuss a very, very important topic which impacts each and everybody's life: weight loss versus wealth loss. So everybody knows about this, but nobody tells the truth about it. Joining us is a very special guest, Shikha Agarwal, a renowned health and wellness consultant, featured on Forbes, CNBC, CNN and News 18. Through her work, she has inspired countless people to transform not just their health, but their overall quality of life as well. Shikha, welcome to the live. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much, Vinita. Actually, this is a pleasure to me because, as I said, after digging into this world of health, now it has become my passion to actually educate and making people aware of what is right and what is wrong. And for you, thanks to you people for giving such a platform where we can actually talk about it. Because as I said, Instagram is just for entertainment, it's not for information. I mean, 90 seconds you cannot educate. To educate, you need this kind of platform. So thank you so much for giving me opportunity to come and talk to people who want to listen.
Yes, so pleasure is both sides because
Pleasure is both sides.
said Insta and time is not used in the format which we are going to give to the viewers. And
Absolutely.
about, kind of entertainment or kind of joy or happy. But here you're going to really learn through this next 20 or 30 minutes. So I would again urge the people whom you know, if you're on live, if you want your friends to join, there will be lot of takeaways from this particular session. So now starting with my first question to Shikha. I would really love to understand, what inspired you to get into health and wellness industry? I do not know too much about your background, but just wanted, out of curiosity that why this health only? Maybe you could have chosen something else. So you can also start little much, background about your how
Hmm.
into this and what have you done? What inspired you to come into this wealth industry?
So, coming into this industry was my own health journey because few years back, around 18 years back, I gained a lot of weight, around 50, 60 kgs. I gained. I was
Ooh,
over. Yes, I was.
oh my God, does it look like?
Yes. Yeah, because it took a lot of effort to come here. So because in that time there was not so much of awareness, there was no social media. So social media कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा भी होता है, जहाँ too much information है कहीं पर awareness भी बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. So that time you were conditioned कि एक तो women take a back seat for their health. They didn't even know कि खुद का choice क्या होता है, खुद का food choice क्या होता है. So health always took a back seat. And when you're pregnant, it was made into your mind that you have to eat for 2 people, 3 people. यही सब भरा हुआ था. So I just went with the flow, whatever was there. I forgot myself, my own health, and in that thing I gained so much of weight. And after that I was diagnosed with TB. And when I was diagnosed with TB, then I did few blood tests, and then it came that I had thyroid, I had PCOD because my periods were missing, I had diabetes. I never knew this because I didn't care about my health only. So these blood reports, I was just surprised and I thought, no, this is not me. So I thought, okay, I will give time to myself. I'm not going to take any medication.
Actually,
Let's give it
how long was it before? I mean, you're talking a story of how
18 years back.
18 years back. Okay, got
Yes.
it. Okay.
So I thought, okay, चलो खुद को time देते हैं without any medication. I was young, so I thought I can do it. मेरे को इतना confidence था because earlier I was into fitness before marriage.
Yes.
So I thought चलो करते हैं. But there was not a system. For me, diet was ki starve. For me, diet was deprivation. For me, diet was कि कुछ मत खाओ, वजन अपने आप कम होगा. But that was a very wrong approach. I was losing weight, but you know what? I was not happy.
Correct.
So my skin was not looking good, my hair was not looking good. Although scale number धड़ाधड़ कम हो रहे थे because I was not eating. I was starving myself. So I thought यार ये तो काम नहीं कर रहा. Why I'm not feeling good? मेरे periods और miss हो रहे थे. I was not getting my periods at all. So I said, this is something wrong. Again, I got my blood test after 2 months. And in 2 months, I lost 10 kgs.
Oh.
So that way I was, I was dieting. So in 2 months, I saw कि मेरे blood reports और ज़्यादा खराब हो गए. मेरा thyroid और ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, diabetes और बढ़ गया. All the markers went more bad. Then I realized, no, this is not the right way. वो क्या होता है ना, मैंने अपने आप को एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग मशीन बना दिया. जो बोल रहे ऐसा करो, मैंने वैसा किया. वो बोल रहे ऐसा करो, वैसा किया. There was no system.
No choice.
And I was like कि अब नहीं. I had to do something else. So I thought कि चलो इसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So when I started studying about it, I found it very interesting. So I was my first client. So when I followed in a very structured way, then I started losing weight, but all my parameters were, becoming better. My hair, my skin, my hormones. I was feeling so good. Although my weight was low, but it was reversing all the problems from within. And after 4 months only, when I got again the blood test, everything was fine without a single medication, without a single supplement. And I was absolutely fine. It took me 2.5 years to lose all the 60 kgs, but I did in a very systematic way because I took a deep, dig into it that how to do it. So with the right approach, so when I was studying now, I realized कि human body is such a beautiful thing. कितना अच्छा system है, God has given us so much, the survival mechanism and everything. So I thought कि चलो इस passion को profession में ही बदल देते हैं. And that was my starting era of this.
Okay. I mean, great. You yourself is a live example, and I could get a lot of takeaways from this. जितना भी you have said ना, इसमें से बहुत कुछ if one is listening to this can
Yeah.
really give a lot of insights. So 18 साल पहले, even if you talk about आज भी women को अगर बोले, you said about pregnancy, so that is one of the changing moment in your life, right? As a woman,
Yes.
and
Yes.
आज नहीं तो कभी ना कभी as a woman you have to go through this.
Absolutely.
And no, and maybe हम सबके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि everybody is like after you. अब तुमको
Yes.
ये खाना है होने के पहले बाद में भी.
Correct.
And you have your own choice.
Yes.
कि मतलब you करना है ये तो हमें. Now
Yes.
you took a call कि जब you were losing weight and again you said कि you were not happy. देखिए
Yes.
जब कुछ आपको करना है और वो हो रहा है आप खुश नहीं हो तो you find that gap.
Yes.
And you realize that कि या कहीं ना कहीं कुछ is missing है, then you again, you
Yes.
dig down and fit
Yeah.
it on a very right approach as you mentioned.
Correct.
And the way you did ना 2.5 साल लगा कुछ overnight नहीं हुआ धीरे
Yes.
धीरे हुआ but वो long lasting हुआ.
Yes.
Again the patience was there.
Correct.
So, I think I can again relate with my profession as well because when you
Yeah.
talk about investing also because I always say कि health, wealth, fitness, anything is your goal. When
Yes.
you're investing, that is also your goal. So you need
Yes.
that patience, like you mentioned. If
Yeah,
that is
correct.
one of patience, perseverance, I think this was the basic thing. But ये बहुत important चीज था which I could take away from you.
Yes.
So I just also wanted to ask again a follow up thing कि क्या ऐसा कुछ moment आया in your life again like you mentioned कि ये सब तो your experiences से हुआ but कुछ ऐसा आया कि you change your perspective only on health कि नहीं ये मेरा पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो रहा है या आई एम गेटिंग सम शिफ्ट इनटू इट सो आई जो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट था आपने उसी को ही अपना प्रोफेशन बना लिया एंड दैट्स अ सक्सेस व्हाट यू आर हैविंग नाउ दैट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आई थिंक कैन बी अ माइलस्टोन बट इज वाज इट एनी काइंड ऑफ व्हाट यू से वो मूवमेंट होता है ना व्हिच चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव
Yes. Actually, you know what, Vinita, there are a lot of moments, but I'll tell you one very interesting fact. You know our genes. Like I have done a gene study. Okay. So very interesting fact about genes. जैसे होता है ना आपने अपने लुक लिए अपने ancestor से, पेरेंट्स से, मैंने अपने लुक लिया अपने ancestor से. जो उनकी बॉडी में हेल्थ में हो रहा है वो आपको मिलेगी. जो मेरे पेरेंट्स को हो रहा है, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि हमारी फैमिली जीन्स में था इसीलिए हमारे संग हुआ है. So is there's a very interesting fact, Vinita, कि यू कैन री राइट योर जीन्स विद पेंसिल एंड इरेजर. अगर आपके फैमिली हिस्ट्री में डायबिटीज है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, it can you can with your lifestyle you can erase that because it is written with pencil if you really want to. And this is so beautiful, and I'm just giving you a small point में, but अगर हम लोग इसका पूरा स्टडी करते हैं, you know, it is so mind blowing. So this perspective gave me a hope that okay, अगर you know लोगों में बहुत बीमारियां हैं just because of their lifestyle, and I am one of the reason that you know I can change their lifestyle and they could be saved with all these lifestyle problem. So that would be you know great, and you know I would think myself you know कि हाँ मैं कुछ बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा कर रही हूँ. When I studied this fact, this was a game changer you know in my life.
Wow.
That and I always say to my clients also कि जब कोई बोलते हैं ना अरे मेरे तो जीन्स में है, मेरे को बीपी है मेरे जीन्स में है, हम बोले आप उसको मिटा सकते हो. यू कैन रब इट एंड यू कैन री राइट विद अ पेंसिल, एंड व्हेन योर किड्स आर born, if you have given them some disease, they can also erase it and they can rewrite with a pencil. They can be better and you can give better genes, you know. So this fact really was a game changer.
Okay, what an interesting analog you have given that. You know, at times कि आप जैसा सोचो कि जीन्स में है, बट अगर आप उसी को सोचो कि वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल यू गेव कि किस तरह से अगर आपने पेंसिल से लिखा है, बिकॉज पेंसिल वाली चीज को इरेज कर सकते हो.
Yes.
एंड ये करने के लिए यू हैव टू हैव दैट सेल्फ बिलीफ.
Yes.
आप इसको गिव अप करके यू जस्ट कांट टेल के ये तो हमारे जीन्स में है, ये हो नहीं सकता. इट
Correct.
बिकम अ वेरी इजी थिंग.
Yes.
अगर आपको करना है then there are reasons, otherwise excuses are there.
Yes.
Very interesting thing. So I can ask, मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा है, मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है पूछने के लिए, लेकिन मैं फॉलो क्विकली पूछती हूँ.
I'll ask you one thing now. I want a chance कि suppose see I have, अब वो ये मेरे पेरेंट्स हैं, ठीक है, उन्होंने कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, सब किया, एंड वो इन्वेस्टमेंट अभी स्टक हो गया. ओके, एंड अगेन दे हैव मेड अ रॉन्ग डिसीजन. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि हाउ कैन आई मेक इट राइट, एंड मैं उसको ठीक कैसे कर सकती हूँ? इज देयर एनी चांस और इज देयर एनी होप दैट आई कैन डू इट?
हाँ, सो व्हेन इसकी ऐसा होता है कि एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट जो भी पुराना किया हुआ है, बिकॉज वो उस टाइम एरा के हिसाब से किया हुआ है. नाउ व्हेन दी second third generation comes and when they get these investments, you have to be you know very apt with the right अभी के टाइम के हिसाब से. Now these can be changed and can be you know बहुत easily shift हो सकता है if you get a right advisor. तो
Okay.
यहाँ पे ना कि you can, I mean today's time if you have anything, कुछ आपके पास एक basic भी information होता है ना, तो there are a lot of technology which can, I mean everything can be connected, the dots can be connected and then consolidation can be done through the right advisor. I mean,
Okay.
there our role comes, of course, as an
Okay.
educator.
Yeah, correct.
We've been in the industry for the last 20 years, तो
Yes.
थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है. तो उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मेरा फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन वाज फॉर यू ओनली कि 18 साल की जर्नी में, आई मीन मुझे 20 साल, फॉर यू 18 19 इयर्स,
Yes.
यू मस्ट हैव आल्सो सीन पीपल कि कुछ तो मिस्टेक करते हो, चाहे वो हेल्थ
Yes.
में हो चाहे वेल्थ में हो, बिकॉज आई एम हेल्थ एंड वेल्थ बोथ साइड बाय साइड. तो व्हाट हैव यू फेल्ट कि क्या ऐसा मिस्टेक्स लगा है कि अरे यार ये तो बार बार रिपीट लग रहा है, बहुत बेसिक है लेकिन ये बेसिक ही उनके गोल से उनको दूर कर रहा है, तो वो चाहे हेल्थ में हो चाहे वेल्थ में हो. जस्ट
Okay.
लाइक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स if you have such kind of experience.
I think in this also you will relate with me. जब लोग बोलते हैं ना क्विक फिक्सेस, बस कुछ फटाफट कर दो, है ना, ज्यादा पेशेंस नहीं है, ज्यादा लंबा नहीं टालना है, ऐसा कुछ करो जो फटाफट हो जाए, यू नो. एंड जो सब कोई बोलते हैं ना ऐसा कोई हैक बता दो. In your journey in your health there cannot be a hack, there cannot be one food or there cannot be one magic that can change your entire health journey. It is the entire journey. Similarly जब हमारे पास पैसा होता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, आई थिंक ये बहुत कुछ होता है इसमें कि यू नो व्हेन यू स्टडी द मार्केट एंड इट इज वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. जैसे हमारा बॉडी सेम नहीं हो सकता हर दिन, आवर मेटाबॉलिज्म चेंजेस एवरी डे. आई मीन लाइक द मार्केट भी तो चेंज होता है ना हर चीज में, वैसे हमारा बॉडी भी है, एवरी डे इट चेंजेस. आवर हॉर्मोन्स कैन नॉट बी सेम, आवर स्ट्रेस लेवल कैन नॉट बी सेम. सिमिलरली हमारा बॉडी भी नहीं हो सकता है. तो एक ही हैक एवरी डे कैसे काम कर सकते हैं? It changes with season, it changes with location, it changes with age, gender, time, everything. So ये जो चीजें है ना, क्विक फिक्सेस, सिंपल हैक, एक फूड, सिंगल फूड या एक वर्कआउट या ऐसा कोई मैजिक पिल या सप्लीमेंट. सो ये मैंने यूजुअली देखा है कि लोग अक्सर मेरे पास इसी के लिए आते हैं एंड दे हैव दिस परसेप्शन कि कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज द मिस्टेक विच आई बिलीव दे आर थिंकिंग. दे आर ओवर एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड दे आर स्टिल इन दैट एरा कि कुछ ऐसा होता है. बिकॉज अगेन सोशल मीडिया में जो आता है 3 हफ्तों में 7 kg वेट. This is all bullshit. That's not possible at all. You have to you have to see a bigger picture. When you really want to transform your health. हाँ, अगर आपको खाली weighing scale पे खड़े होके अपना वजन कम करना है, that's a different thing. But आपको weighing scale पे ऐसे वजन कम करना है कि आपको weighing scale पे खड़ा ही ना होना पड़े. You know that you are doing good. You know you are losing fat. You know when you wake up, you are super energetic, you are not bloated, you look forward for your day, you want to work out, you are doing your work, handling things, handling home. That means you are doing perfect. And this tells about your health. I mean, not the numbers on the scale. And this is what I tell everyone. कि जैसे आई थिंक हेल्थ वेल्थ में भी होता है ना कि आप लोग बोलते हैं जस्ट हैव पेशेंस, डोंट बी ऑब्सेस्ड अबाउट द नंबर्स. वैसे भी मैं ही बोलती हूँ कि डोंट ऑब्सेस अबाउट द नंबर, जस्ट हैव पेशेंस एंड यू जस्ट बी ऑन दिस जर्नी. इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म. आप भी बोलते हो ना लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करो तब रिटर्न आएगा. करेक्ट, मेरा भी यही बोलना है. हेल्थ में लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करो तभी रिटर्न आएगा. अगर कीप ऑन यू चेकिंग चेकिंग बार बार चेक करते रहते हैं ना जो लोग, हाँ वो एक इम्पेशेंट होते हैं एंड तभी उन लोग ट्रैक में लूज करते हैं.
I really can relate so many things to my set of experiences. Exactly what you said. कि बोला ना
Yes.
जैसे एक दिन में या एक वीक में इतना
Yeah.
केजी, you will find lot of captions कि नहीं
Yes.
मेरी रिटर्न डबल हो जाएगा,
Correct. Yes.
डबल हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Exactly. I mean,
Yes.
see, it's all related. Nothing
Correct.
is short term. You
Yes.
really said it right, bang on. कि Rome was not built overnight. It takes
Yes.
time and patience. आप
Yes.
कोई भी चीज का अगर आज बीज दोगे तो यू इट विल टेक टाइम टू ग्रो प्रॉपर प्लांट. आप उसको नर्चर करो अच्छे से.
Yes.
एवरी डे, एवरी मंथ, एवरी वीक इफ यू सी वेदर इट
Yes.
हेल्थ वेल्थ, उससे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Yes.
You're bang on. You exactly said right.
And Vinita, I remember once, I think I heard you saying somewhere or talking or discussing that, when you see your data, don't see your numbers every day. If you really want to see, study the market. Study how it is going up and down, कौन से companies कैसे work कर रहे हैं, rather than investing your energy and time on वो numbers जो up and down होते रहते हैं, बार बार मिनट खोल खोल के फोन चेक करते रहते हो. So I think this is the same thing जो लोग सुबह दिन शाम रात वेइंग स्केल पे चेक करते रहते हैं, rather than doing that, invest your energy in the process. आपको वेइंग स्केल पे जरूरत ही नहीं होगा.
Correct. Exactly.
Yeah.
So exactly bang on, and you really have what you say कि वो डूबती रंग वाला चीज एंड एकदम right bang on. कि मैं 20 साल से लोगों से जब भी बात करती हूँ, with all due respect to everybody's behavior, I always say कि technical
Yes.
तो कुछ भी नहीं है. It is your own behavior. It is your
Correct.
own rational, which is very
Absolutely.
important whether in investing, health, wealth. ये सारी चीजें गोल ही है आपकी लाइफ की.
Correct.
आप हर दिन हर बार देखोगे तो you will land up nowhere. So
Yes.
very true. So my follow-up question to you again is, देखो हम लोग गोल तो बहुत बनाते हैं जब भी एक न्यू ईयर आता है. सो सबसे पहला गोल आई थिंक एवरीबडीज डायरी में होगा कि हमको या तो फिट होना है या हमें इतना वेट लूज करना है,
Yes.
एवरीडे जिम जाना है और एक्स वाई जेड जो भी जिनकी फिटनेस
Yes.
गोल होती है. करेक्ट.
Yes.
तो गोल में हम हेल्थ में भी बनाते हैं, हम वेल्थ में भी बनाते हैं.
Correct. Correct.
हेल्थ और वेल्थ में गोल तो बना लेते हैं, बट टेल मी, इज इट नॉट ओनली फॉर अस इन अ वेल्थ, इज इट इन दी हेल्थ ऑल्सो कि पीपल डू नॉट स्टे कमिटेड टू देयर गोल? वो या तो भूल जाते हैं या वो गिव अप कर देते हैं. डज इट हैपन टू यू? एंड माय फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन विद दिस ओनली विल बी,
Yes.
क्या ये एज ग्रुप से भी मैटर करता है? बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ जेन ज़ी, सब एज ग्रुप
Yes.
का अपनी सोच है. तो ऑल्सो टेल मी, यू ऑल्सो आर मीटिंग लॉट ऑफ अलग अलग एज ग्रुप वाले लोगों से. तो
Mhm.
क्या एज ग्रुप भी मैटर करता है?
Yes.
और गोल में लोग क्यों नहीं कमिट रह सकते?
So I think you are so right because I can relate this every day. Lot of all the clients come to me daily, and सबका एक ही प्रॉब्लम रहता है. They set the goal, but not always है ना. खाली मोटिवेशन या डिसिप्लिन काम नहीं करते हैं. There should be a system. जब तक आप एक सिस्टम पे नहीं होगे ना, आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हो सकते हो. गोल तो सेट हो जाता है, थोड़ी देर तक गोल पे चलते भी है. द प्रॉब्लम इज कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी इज रियली लैकिंग. वो एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि लोग कंसिस्टेंट नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि नंबर ए सबसे फर्स्ट होता है, या तो उनके पास एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम नहीं होता है, या तो उनके पास वैसा कोच ही नहीं होता है जो उनको वहां तक ले जा पाते हैं, या तो दे आर वेरी इम्पेशेंट, दे आर ऑलवेज कि उनको स्मॉल टर्म में ही जल्दी रिजल्ट चाहिए, एंड दैट इज वाई ना दे आर नॉट एबल टू रीच द गोल. एंड आई बिलीव गोल इज लाइक कि ठीक है, एक बार वो माइंड में वो गोल आना चाहिए. वी अगर लोग एक बार दे स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग द प्रोसेस, द जर्नी ना, नो वन इवन बॉदर्स अबाउट द गोल, बिकॉज गोल आना है, यू आर गोइंग टू रीच. अगर आप उस पाथ पे वॉक करने लग गए हो, आप एंड तक पहुंचोगे, आप बीच में रुकोगे नहीं. द आइडिया इज कि यू नीड टू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस, एंड बहुत कम लोग हैं जो एंजॉय करके करते हैं. फॉर देम इट इज ओके कि अभी ये शुरू किया है, कैसे भी बस खत्म करे, 3 महीना है खत्म करे, 4 महीना है खत्म करे. It's not a small term package, it's a lifelong thing. अगर आपको हेल्थ कमाना है या पैसे कमाने हैं, आपको जब तक आप जिंदा हो ना, आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग उस पर वर्क करना होगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. सो कंसिस्टेंसी, अ सिस्टम, अ प्रॉपर मेंटोर, everything is important for that. Whether it's with प्रॉब्लम सेम होता है.
Same है. Whom to connect for your health,
Yeah,
and for wealth,
absolutely.
दो साइड में एक हेल्थ है और एक वेल्थ है. बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. नाउ जोक्स अपार्ट, सो अगेन कमिंग टू वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. What do you feel? What is the similarity between successful investing and successful your fitness? कुछ similarity है? I think there are a lot of similarity which you mentioned. Apart from that, any other unique kind of you felt क्या ये भी हो सकता है इन दोनों के बीच में?
Again, what I said, I mean, not looking after the numbers, just enjoying the process, not thinking always about कि end इसका result क्या होगा. आप बस start कर दो. You just be on this journey. Don't look at the weighing scale for the validation. Your body will tell you कि okay, you are fit or not. वो मे बी आगे पीछे होगा नहीं, नंबर्स नहीं दिखाएगा, बट द पर्सन शुड नॉट बी दैट ऑब्सेस्ड कि अगर मशीन ने कुछ अच्छा नहीं दिखाया है, इवन द पर्सन इज डूइंग गुड, दैट पर्सन थिंक्स ओके, सिंस द मशीन हैज नॉट वैलिडेटेड, तो वो अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है. सो दैट ऑब्सेशन शुड बी रियली लेस. एंड आई थिंक दिस गोज विद द फाइनेंस थिंग ऑल्सो, कि इफ यू रियली थिंक यू हैव टू यू थिंक कि आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है, कि वो जो नंबर्स है ना, उसमें हमेशा ऑब्सेस नहीं रहना है. You just be on the journey, and you need to trust the process. You need to trust the mentor who has taken the onus and responsibility कि हाँ, आपका पैसा सुरक्षित रहेगा. So that is really very important. So a system is very important. वो जो trial and error, किसका सुन लिया, उसका सुन लिया, making yourself an experimenting thing without any knowledge, अगर वो knowledge नहीं है, so I will surrender myself to my guru. I mean, this is what I believe. If I go to a dress designer, मेरे को पता है कि I will listen to the dress designer because मेरे को knowledge नहीं है. If I don't know about finance, I will listen to you because you are the master. You have given your so many years of life in this. So one need to trust. So if I'll come to you, I will trust you rather than listening to 10 other people who will give me random advice. I will stick to you because you have taken the onus and you have studied my thing and the market thing. So I think sticking to one person, building a trust, that is, I think, very, very important.
Yes, so nicely put up, and I can make out three very important takeaways again from this. One is start, which I
Yes.
always say कि
Yes.
कुछ भी करो, छोटे से करो, for even health also, चाहे 10 मिनट ही
Just start.
10 मिनट का just start.
Yes.
Second thing है कि enjoy what you're doing. Do not
Correct.
take too much of stress or pressure. जो
Yes.
भी इस जर्नी को enjoy करो. And the
Yes.
last one is trust. Trust,
Sure.
trust your coach, trust your advisor. And अगर आप expert नहीं हो, तो don't put your head into it. Get an expert.
Correct.
जैसा हम हमेशा बोलते हैं.
Correct.
So sit right, sit tight with anything, maybe health है या wealth है.
Absolutely.
So I think this takes away. My quick last question to you is कि I know you are a professional coach and you would not love to give all the hacks, but at least कुछ simple एक या दो habit देना चाहो for the one who actually wants to transform his or her fitness journey. what would be that?
All right. So these are the 5 things which I've always followed in my life. I will start with the last one क्योंकि जब हम लोग लास्ट में जिस चीज की बात करते हैं ना लोग उसको अंडररेट कर देते हैं. तो I will start with sleep. Sleep a non-negotiable part. ठीक है. क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा खटने की बात करते हैं बट रिकवरी इज एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज पुटिंग योर सेल्फ टू योर वर्क. ठीक है. सो स्लीप इज अंडररेटेड बट इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Number 2 is you need to move. Physical movement is very important. Human beings are meant to move and not to sit. ठीक है. सो वॉकिंग आफ्टर मील्स अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं करते हो ना एटलीस्ट डू दिस वेन एवर यू फोन रिंग्स और फोन में आप बात कर रहे हो वॉक वाइल यू टॉक. एंड ऑल्सो द मोमेंट यू ईट योर फूड अपना प्लेट खुद रख के आना है सबसे पहले एंड 10 मिनट वॉक करके ही बैठना है. पुट योर मसल्स टू वर्क. ओके. ताकि आपका ग्लूकोज लिवर में जाने से पहले आपका मसल्स यूज करें एंड आपका ग्लूकोज लेवल स्टेबल रहे सो दैट फैट जल्दी से बॉडी में नहीं बढ़े. So that is really very important, basic, but the most important thing. And number 3 would be in your diet. Okay, the way you have inherited your looks from your ancestors. We have inherited gut bacteria also from our ancestors. Okay, so those gut bacteria flourish. They are happy. जब वो उनको वो खाना मिलता है जो हमारे ancestors खाए हुए रहते हैं. तो नॉर्मल घर का सिंपल खाना है. अब सवाल ये क्या वो जो डिफरेंट क्विजीन है नहीं खाए बिल्कुल खाए. फॉलो द 80-20 रूल. 80% यू ईट व्हाट आवर एंसेस्टर यूज्ड टू ईट. नॉर्मल पोहा उपमा रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल एंड 20% कीप फॉर अदर क्विजीन. If you go to other countries you will always see they are mostly into their local food. They will not dwell into Indian food. But we Indian, when we eat, we want to eat all other cuisine. सो अगर अपने गट बैक्टीरिया को फ्लरिश रखना है सो यू नीड टू सबसे पहले ईट व्हाट आवर एंसेस्टर्स यूज्ड टू ईट. जो नाम पढ़ने में मेड को गूगल नहीं करना पड़े जो सबको समझ में आ जाए मेड भी पका पाए वैसा खाना खाना है. एवरी डे यू हैव टू ईट एटलीस्ट 1 फर्मेंटेड फूड एंड लॉट्स ऑफ फाइबर एंड प्रोटीन इन योर डाइट. सो व्हेन आई से फर्मेंटेड फूड हम लोग का नॉर्मल अचार चटनी ये सब डाइट में लाना है. This is very important. And protein usually Indian meals में lacking होता है. Protein is important. It is not overhyped at all. We are made of protein. So, and lot of fiber. So, bringing lot of nature, plant food. And less dependency on supplements and medicine. Our body is made on survival mechanism. Trust your body will trust you and start eating healing and focus on your lifestyle. We don't need anything made from the laboratory. We need everything which is made in the made by the farmer in their land and from the nature. तो laboratory वाला चीज नहीं चाहिए, chemicals made नहीं चाहिए. Everything should come from the farm directly. So this is the thing. And last but not the least, hydration. So these are the pillars of a good healthy lifestyle. So एक भी अगर ढीला होगा ना तो nothing will work. So we have to work on everything.
Yeah.
So
When
that
you
is
were
it.
doing this, so I was just, taking my checklist in पांचों में से, and you have given simple but doable hacks.
Yes.
I mean, it's actually doable. One which I really like, and I also heard you somewhere saying, you said ना कि plate उठा के रखो. तो ऐसे
Yes.
छोटी छोटी चीजें आप खुद कर सकते हो. अगर कहीं एक्सीलेटर
Absolutely.
आप
Yes.
फॉलो ना करो.
Yes.
स्टेयर है तो स्टेयर यूज करो because that way you are
Correct.
not using, you're not on that machine वाला. गाड़ी से
Yes.
कहीं उतरना है तो अगर थोड़ी देर पहले भी एक कुछ उतर जाओ तो you can walk. I mean,
Yes.
getting an opportunity to walk. I mean, small. I come to
Correct.
office, so I don't use lift. So again, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें भी. I also heard you somewhere saying this, so I was putting all the tick mark what I am
Correct.
doing, what I am not doing. But thank you for this. My quickly a last and even a little personal question: how do you manage your wealth? इतना health manage करके do you get your time to manage wealth as well?
No, not at all. I'll be very, very honest with you. I'm very, very bad at it. I'm really, and I want to admit it. And that is why when I said ki when you don't know that is not your area, you need to trust a mentor. And yes, so that yeah, I have my mentor now, so I'll be coming very soon.
Great,
And I
great.
just believe that if I go to mentor, and I think एक mentor का responsibility बल्कि ज्यादा हो जाता है. So when I come to you more than my money, it will be your responsibility more कि हाँ इसका पैसा गलत जगह पे या गलत वे से नहीं हो.
100% एकदम। मैं तो कई बार बोलती हूँ मेरा पैसा, माई क्लाइंट से मेरा, मैं बोली मैं आपकी आपके पैसे को मेरे जैसा ट्रीट
एक्चुअली
करती
जब खुद का होता है ना तब इतना टेंशन नहीं होता है. जब
हूँ।
आपके पास कोई अपना पैसा इतना भरोसे के संग आता है, आई थिंक दैट्स बिकम अ वेरी बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Very much. I agree to it. Finance is not
यस.
that easy because money is the backbone of everything.
यस.
आप
राइट.
सब कुछ करें उसी के लिए. I mean,
यस.
right? Making money is easy, but managing money is very, very difficult. It is
यस.
not that easy at all.
यस.
So yeah. Now, quickly, in the meantime, I would request my viewers, अगर आपके कुछ भी सवाल है, because Shika wouldn't come again, you can again, she will give the address in the chat or something because she's having a studio office, सब कुछ यहाँ पे. But in the meantime, I'm just taking her through my rapid fire, which is very interesting part of my this session. If you have any question, small quick questions, you can put up in the chat box. We'll try to address that. So in the meantime, Shikha, very very interesting rapid fire which we have designed for you. You are also not aware about this. It is a quick one. Can you pass bolna hai? You can say pass.
Okay.
So health या फिर wealth? I should say health and wealth, right?
Both.
Both.
दोनों चाहिए.
Okay. Morning walk or gym?
Gym.
Okay. One word that defines your journey?
Mm, I will say I have written a book also on that. That is Aparajita. A woman cannot be defeated. A woman never gives up. And I think Aparajita is there in every woman.
Very true. Very true.
A woman is so strong, she never gives up.
So you have written this book?
Yes. It will be launched next month only.
Oh wow. We would be looking forward and हम इसको जरूर पढ़ेंगे and will take
Sure.
it again from you.
Sure.
So great. Biggest health mistake people make actually.
Biggest help with again quick looking for quick fixes, and that is why they are not being able to consistent.
Right. Best investment you have ever made?
Uh, Really not really. I'm very bad at it, as I said.
Okay. That can be anything, but it's okay. I think making investment into your health itself is a very,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
good
I was thinking about money, but yes, I think I really invest. You know what? Whatever I earn, na, I invest on my health. But I think investing elsewhere is also now very important.
Yes, yes. Okay. One ideal whom you relate to the most. I mean, there will be somebody, a mentor or a person, a celebrity whom you look up to it. Is there anyone in your life?
I think no, not celebrity, but my mother, because I
Wow.
think I have learned a lot from her. You know, the way unconditionally and selflessly she has nurtured everyone. So I wish that I want to be that unconditional person that selflessly I want to do. अभी तो पैसे के लिए मैं कर रही हूँ. Obviously, I'm taking money, but I want to do something where it should be like वो मनी मैं कमा लूँ इतना कि वो मनी वाला स्टेज नहीं रहे. And I want to really help women and other people.
Very true. We are on the same page. We resonate
Yeah.
so much because for me also my mom is that ultimate, and even
Yeah.
I want to do a lot of things for this universe. We'll be in this journey together by God's
Superb. Let's
grace.
do it together.
Yes, yes. Okay, any book you, if it comes to your mind, apart from Aparajita, which
Yeah.
also talks both about health, wealth, ऐसा कुछ book have you read somewhere?
Yes. So I really, read a lot of books written by Rujuta. She's also a famous, nutritionist. And, the way she writes and, it's like the way we are talking. And, it's very beautiful. You can also really relate. And it's all mostly about women, their mindset and everything. So, honestly, I really love reading her books.
Very good. So recently I also read one almanac of Ravi Kant. That's also very interesting. He
Oh,
is
that's
also talking about health and wealth. A very, very interesting author. That's
okay.
also a very good book. Your daily non-negotiable habit. I mean, you can't do without it.
My gym, my workout.
Oh wow. One mistake you want to undo or erase. Like you said ना कि pencil से erase कर सकते हैं. ऐसा any mistake which you want to really undo now? Or you already have undone?
Yeah, I've already, eating all rubbish, whatever used to come in, and eating a lot of sugar, बहुत sugar, मीठा. हाँ, 3-4 लड्डू एक दिन में. Oh my God, what have I done? I think in our childhood we all have done. I mean, those candies, जो गुड्डी का बाल, all this stuff, we all have done.
True, true. I got it. Now, quickly finish the sentence if you can. Wealth is what for you?
Wealth is health for me.
Okay, and health is?
Wealth, health is wealth.
Interchangeably, very interesting.
Yes.
Okay, happiness is what for you?
My family, my kids.
Oh, great. Every person should invest in.
In their health.
Oh, my morning starts with. How do you start your morning?
Gratitude, then few affirmation, and then sunlight, and then good food, and then prayer. I do my puja, and then my morning ritual, which I've set, which I've to everyone also, and then my workout.
Very good. I wish I knew this at when I was at 25. Anything which you feel regret है कि मुझे 25 में ये पता होता.
Oh my God, there are so many things.
अच्छा एक
There
बता दो.
was, अरे my God, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ और कहाँ से खत्म? There was no
Achievement
awareness
feels
for
expensive.
There was no awareness for anything. I mean, this thing कि बच्चा पैदा होना है तो you eat for two people because there's one more person inside you. And after giving birth, since you are lactating, keep on eating every hour. So these things I wish कि मेरे को पता होता कि ये सब myth है.
Great. True money can buy.
Sorry,
Money can buy what?
lot of things, everything. I'm being able to maintain my health because I have money.
Oh, great. Okay, money can buy a lot of things.
Lot of things. I can go to a good gym because I have money and I can invest in good food because I have money. If I don't, ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें होती है कि या money नहीं चाहिए but money भी चाहिए.
पैसा है तो पैसा, right? So
Yes,
true
yes.
richness is what for you?
Sorry?
True richness is what? I mean, सही शब्दों में अमीरी क्या है? True richness is
अमीरी तो ज्यादा पैसे में ही है एंड
uh,
पैसे में भी है एंड ऑल्सो यू नो वॉट टू बी ग्राउंडेड टू स्टिक टू योर रूट्स एंड वो ना माथे सर पे नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए चाहे जितना भी हो जाए जो भी हो जाए चाहे चाहे हेल्थ हो या वेल्थ हो वो सर पे नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए एंड एवरी वन शुड बी ग्राउंडेड फॉर मी दैट इज अ रिच पर्सन.
okay, very true and very good. My last closing remark, and this last means last, okay, I will be talking last, ये last है. If you lose your wealth, you lose something, right?
Yes.
You lose your health, you lose everything because
Health is wealth.
yeah, exactly. पैसा है और हेल्थ ही नहीं तो उसको एंजॉय क्या करोगे? एंड
Exactly.
पैसा होकर भी हेल्थ को बचा नहीं सकता. एंड वी हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ लाइफ
A
एक्सपीरियंसेस.
lot of like you see the Ratan Tata when he was dying he said कि वो अपने पूरा जिंदगी पैसा कमाने में लग गए काश वो हेल्थ पे भी थोड़ा ध्यान दिए होते. बट
राकेश
अगेन बट
अगेन
अगेन वन मोर थिंग आई विल से यू क्योंकि वो इतना पैसा कमाए हैं दैट इज व्हाई ही इज रतन टाटा राइट. अगर वो नहीं इतना मेहनत करके कमाए होते तो फिर रतन टाटा कैसे होते. सो बोथ आर आई थिंक इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट.
Okay. So yeah, this leads to really memorable and heartfelt closing. But before that, I have one question. What one habit everyone should start today for a better health? Eight habit. I think you have mentioned already, but
Yes.
this was the question I thought just not to be left unanswered.
One habit is just stop eating outside food. Not stop, but reduce eating outside food. जो ये जो कंटिन्यूअस आदत हो गया ना ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर जस्ट कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगा फट से ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर दो दैट्स नीड टू बी रिड्यूस्ड. सो घर का थोड़ा ज्यादा खाना खाना है एंड आउटसाइड फूड कम करना है क्योंकि इसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी एक हैबिट कोई कम करना होगा. यू विल सेव योर मनी ऑल्सो विच यू आर स्पेंडिंग इन ऑनलाइन ऑर्डरिंग. यू विल
And
सेव
then invest that saving to us,
yes
and health
correct.
भी बनेगा, wealth भी बनेगा.
Absolutely. So you are saving your wealth and you are saving your health both.
Yeah, so see, हम अपने ही इन्हीं चीजों में से किस तरह से निकाल सकते हैं. At times people are
Absolutely.
ऐसा नहीं है मैम कैसे बेहतर है. मैं बोलती हूँ कि आप एक कॉफी कम पी लो,
Correct.
एक आउटिंग कम कर लो, बट डोंट
Yes.
कि पैसा नहीं है. जो है उनमें से भी आप सेविंग कर सकते हो.
Yes.
To give this kind of give up.
So now I want to ask you one thing, Vinita. Just tell me one thing कि आप क्या समझते हो? How do you think? What is in your opinion? How both things are so important and you are also very busy. I know. And apart from doing this finance, you do lot of things. You do lot of things. कभी कोई event में तो and you are everywhere. I know that. So how do you manage your health?
Yeah, like you said, na, I'm very, very, I mean, what to say, committed. I'm very disciplined person. मैं
Okay.
एक चीज करती हूँ कि मैं एक सिस्टम बना रखी हूँ अपने अंदर कि मैं एक तो कुछ तो एक्टिविटी करूंगी. So I
Okay.
carry my swim bag, I play pickleball, I carry that bag in my car. मैं सुबह योगा करती हूँ. घर जाके कुछ नहीं किया, यू सेड ना कुछ नहीं तो वॉक ही कर लो. तो मेरे
Yes.
अंदर गिल्ट रहता है, मैं खाना खाकर वो 10 भी बजता है ना, इफ आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग तो आई गो
Yeah.
होम. So I
Super.
just actually I tell you again, Shikha, it is not about your zero size figure or anything.
Yes. Absolutely.
Bracket में I want to be fit. मैं
Yes.
अभी
Correct.
मानसरोवर जाके and I saw your pic being at Amarnath and
Yes.
I forgot to respond in my message.
Yeah.
मैंने this is my another to go place, but वही था कि मुझे लगा मैं जब तक fit हूँ and I want to be fit and
Yes.
I want to go to all these places.
You
So,
will go. You have manifested. You will go there.
yeah. So I saw your pic and I was thinking, "Arey, wow!" I thought, "Arey, Shika is there." So I said, "Arey, मुझे." I went to Mansarovar recently, but you said
Wow.
this कि ये सब जगह मुझे जाना था ना तो मैं
Yes.
ये मेरी you said ये आपकी characteristics है. जब लोग
Absolutely.
बोलते हैं ना कि समय नहीं है, I can't take it.
Correct.
24 घंटे में अपने लिए आप 1 घंटा आराम से निकाल सकते हो.
Absolutely.
You need to prioritize.
And
Everybody is busy.
and I think जब आप हेल्थ पे इतना फोकस करते हो आपका दिमाग भी चलता है ज्यादा. You are able to focus.
Exactly. And when I meet my clients, I'm not again boasting. ये मेरे लिए पॉजिटिव इंप्रेशन उनके लिए क्रिएट करता है.
Correct. Correct.
कमिटेड इसमें हो, यू नो साइकोलॉजी है ऐसा.
Yes.
ये इसमें कमिटेड है तो इसमें, यू नो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग.
Absolutely. You are very right.
You are getting a fit advisor कि अगला 10-15 साल तो वो रहेगी या रहेगा. So I think आज
So well said. कि वो टिकी रहेगी सही सलामत हालत में.
सच्ची में तो फिटनेस चॉइस नहीं है, फिटनेस इज योर नेसेसिटी.
Yes.
आज के
Correct.
दिन में हेल्थ आपका एक मैंडेटरी रूटीन का पार्ट है.
Absolutely.
वेल्थ जैसे बनाना है तो हेल्थ भी, आई थिंक वेल्थ तो फिर भी बाद में आएगा,
Yes.
बट हेल्थ इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग.
Yes.
तो
Correct.
आई रियली पे लॉट ऑफ माई व्हाट यू से कि मैं अपने एक परसेंटेज होता है ना लाइफ के टाइम का,
Yeah.
मेरे लिए फिटनेस सबसे ज्यादा ऊपर है. उसके लिए एट टाइम इवनिंग कोई ऐसा होता है ना तो आई ट्राई कि नहीं भी अगर जाने का हो तो मेरा स्विमिंग जरूरी, तो मे बी आई कॉम्पेंसेट विद दैट.
Yes.
So that way, I think simple, bridging, but do.
Wow.
My next
Amazing.
question to you, I'm getting a lot of questions. Is drinking water immediately after waking up, before
Hmm.
brushing our teeth actually beneficial? Does it help boost the metabolism or could the bacteria be accumulated in the mouth overnight be harmful too?
Okay.
Did you got the question? I mean,
Yeah, I got the question. So, see, number one, ये पानी पीने से या कुछ करने से मेटाबॉलिज्म नहीं बढ़ता है. मेटाबॉलिज्म सिर्फ एक चीज से बढ़ता है, दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. ओके, वेट ट्रेनिंग से आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ता है. नंबर टू, आपको पानी ब्रश करने के बाद ही पीना है, नॉट बिफोर दैट. सबसे पहले आपको उठते ही ऑयल पुलिंग करना है, उसके बाद आपको ब्रश करना है, उसके बाद आपको पानी पीना है, सो दैट जो हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया हमारे माउथ में एक्यूमुलेट होती है व्हेन वी आर स्लीपिंग, दैट डजंट गो इनसाइड आवर गट. So that should be the right way.
Okay. Got it. I think now we should end this session. Shikha, if you want to,
Yes.
I will add your address or something when we are
Sure.
going to close this recording.
Sure.
I'll take your address and everything. Before that, let me do a
Yes.
formal closure. Thank you so much. I would really tell from my heart. I have done a lot of sessions, but this was one of the sessions I have enjoyed thoroughly. The conversation, the insight, because I resonate so much with the health part. So
Yes.
I always wanted to host this session इसीलिए कि मुझे लग रहा था कि it is one of my, मेरा भी one of the day to day का agenda है.
Yes,
So thank you so
correct.
much for this,
Yes.
and I think this conversation reminds us health and wealth are deeply connected.
Very much. Very much. If you sit and think na deeply, you will see every aspect is so much connected of both the things.
So the same habits that build a healthy life, discipline, consistency, and patience also create a long-lasting wealth. To everyone who joined us in live, thank you for your time, for your patience. If you found this session valuable, do share it with your family and friends. Remember, health is your greatest investment. The earlier you invest in both health and wealth, the better your future will be because you have started already compounding the effect earlier. This is Vinita Kejriwal signing off from Vincent Financial Services. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and keep growing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinita. Thank you, everyone.